his name is John.
Bütün kızlar bende var. Bende para çok çok var. Burnumda hep toplar var. Var.
Tarde pra caprichar na banquinha. Toma fotinha, vai, Jacobi.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top. It's everything I've been chasing.
3, 2, 1, let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
My dreams never mean one thing. Is happiness like
Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the van.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
Good evening, Twitter. This is your boy, Eat That Pussy 4.
And his name is John C.
Hold up. Well, my niggas who be thinking we soft, we don't.
del agua se va consumiendo el humo, desapareciendo y las personas van muriendo. Que su vejez la sintió bien muriendo, que su vejez la sintió bien.
Natali, atekna potomi abe sakwa bishe monatali. Asla poti chamo.
What kind of animal would John Cena be?
Definitely a tiger, because he has the eye of the tiger. Eye of the tiger.
1-800 blow your mind.
You playing Minecraft? Man. Hello. Kekaji.
Spider-Man, it's Spider-Man. It's Spider-Man.